Hang loose, unveiled, ride the waves of English slang. Hello, English enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English slang to unravel the meaning of the phrase, hang loose. This phrase might sound strange if you're hearing it for the first time, but by the end of this video, you'll understand its origins and how to use it in your conversations. Hang loose is a colloquial expression often associated with surf culture, primarily in Hawaii. The phrase embodies a laid-back and relaxed attitude. Let's dissect the two words. Hang. The word, in this context, suggests to remain or to linger. Loose. This word means free from restraint or not tightly held. Together, they convey a feeling of being relaxed or easygoing. The term, hang loose, is heavily associated with Hawaii and its surfing culture. The Hawaiian term, shaka, which is a hand gesture often used by surfers and locals, means the same thing. While the exact origin of hang loose is a bit murky, it's commonly believed that it grew popular alongside surf culture during the 20th century. Now that you know what hang loose means, here are some examples to show you how to use it in everyday conversation. 1. Don't worry about the small stuff. Just hang loose and everything will be all right. 2. She's so calm even under pressure. She really knows how to hang loose. 3. While on vacation, all I want to do is hang loose by the beach. There you have it. Now you're equipped to hang loose with the best of them. English is full of interesting idioms and slang, and understanding them can make your language journey even more enriching. We hope this video helped you understand the relaxed vibes of hang loose. Catch you in the next one, and until then, keep riding the waves of English.